Welcome back to the channel.
Hi everybody, I am Carly and today I have two special guests helping me with the intro. This is
Allie
and this is
Benny.
These are 2 out of 3 of my kids and today they're helping me with this intro because honestly no other reason than that they're home and why not. So we are going to be doing something totally different today. We are going to be doing an unboxing, which I've done unboxings before, but this unboxing is through a program called Influenster, and I'm going to be doing a box from the company called Kiss. It is a kind of salon type company, cosmetics, beauty. I don't know how they would register themselves, but the company is called Kiss. We are popping into that PR box, unboxing it and seeing what's inside. And the really cool thing about this company is that they send out full-on PR boxes to people. Product is totally free and complimentary so that you can review it. I've done this before and some of the stuff I've loved and some of the stuff has not been so great. But we're gonna do a totally unbiased review right now and opinions. And the cool thing is at the end of this video, I'm gonna share with you how I got involved with Influencer so that you can do the same thing and get products that you love sent to you for $0, which is always amazing, right?
Yeah. Yes.
So that's what we're gonna do. All right, guys, ready? Follow me. Here we go. So here is the box. I'll put it up so we can. And they did say beforehand that there'd be some lashes in here and some kind of nail product. So can you pop it open, please? Okay. So we just opened it. Here is what it looks like. Now, the first thing we get is this insert here from Kiss, and it has a listing of the items in the box. It looks like there are lashes, it looks like there's eyelash glue, and it also looks like there are fantasy nails. So we will check those out. So inside are 2 full pairs of lashes, which I will show you. They are gorgeous so far, and we are going to try them on. So the first pair is from their Lash Couture Naked Drama collection, and it is the style chiffon. And then the next style is the same collection in the style organza. And it did also come with lash glue, which they say is a super strong hold, and so we are going to try these things on. Now here's the thing, I am not like a beauty guru or you know, like YouTube makeup influencer kind of person, so I'm gonna have to put the lashes on off camera and then come back. So this is without the lashes and this will be with them. Okay, so this is with a pair of the lashes on. Now, here's the thing that I didn't realize when I was going to do it. So the lash glue is black, it's not white. And so if you have to remove and stick the lash somewhere else, now you have black lash glue on your eyelid. So I'm not a fan. I know some people like it because then it kind of goes in with your eyeliner, but I think I'm gonna stick with my clear glue. I'm not super fan of the black. However, I will say they're staying on, they're fluffy. It was actually pretty easy to get them on. It didn't seem like it was that big of a struggle. So all in all, the lashes are really soft and really pretty and I like them, but the lash glue I'm not crazy about because I don't like getting black glue all over my eyes after I just probably spent a lot of time to do them. And I would rather deal with the clear glue. So that's me. Okay. The next things are the nails, these fantasy nails. Now it looks like these are kind of like press-ons when it comes to tabs or glue, things like that. And we will open a pair and look at them. I'm usually not good with these because I usually need custom sizes because my fingernails are, I guess, kind of small. So I actually have been using the ones from Nailist on Instagram. I will tag them below. I actually really love them. So these are more affordable and these are probably at your local drugstore. So here it is. I took them out of the package and it comes with a buffer. It comes with the sticky tabs here, and it also comes with nail glue, which is great because to make them really stay on, you probably need to do both the tabs and the glue depending on how long you want them to stay on. So we have the ones that we see right here, plus there's all these extra nails back here. I'm just going to open them and hopefully not spill them all over the place and see how they might be size-wise. And I just dropped it. Okay, so already opening it, taking one out of the packaging. It's very thin, it's very light. The custom ones that I've gotten from the nail list, which you can see right here, I'll kind of, from the nail list right here, those are custom. So I had to custom measure my nails and send them in, and they're like thick and they feel like acrylic, and they really stay on. These are very thin, so I don't know how they're gonna stay. I'm not gonna try them right now because I already have nails on, but if you follow me on Instagram at ShortyCarly, I will be posting about it. I'm gonna post my review about them there. As far as design goes, I think it's like super on trend. It has a mix with the glitter and kind of more of a matte shade. It also has that gold that is really perfect for fall. These are the square tips. These are the coffin tips. I like them on other people. I don't really know if I'm gonna like them on myself. They seem a little bit long for me. I like my nails shorter, but again, seems on trend with the maroon color for fall, a lot of glitter, and then kind of more of a shiny nail for another option. So I would be posting about these on Instagram at ShortyCarly. When I try out the other lashes, I'll also post those. I'll see how these kind of wear throughout the rest of the evening and be able to include that in like my final review as well. All in all, that is the box from Kiss on Influenster, and that's where we're at so far. I did say I would explain to you guys how you can get your free complimentary items from this same app. So here's all I did. This is seriously, it was this simple. I downloaded on Apple, I'm sure it's on Android too, Influenster. It's an app from the App Store, it's free, you download it. Now once you create your profile, you actually link all of your other social medias to it. So you're gonna wanna link your Instagram, your Facebook. If you also have a YouTube account, you'll do that. If you have a website or a blog, you'll link that too. What it does is it looks at kind of you know, your reach, how far your reach goes. You can connect with other people on Influenster as well. Then they have you fill out all of these different surveys, not just about beauty products, but about food, about cleaning products. If you have a pet, it'll ask you about different things that you use for your pet, things that you've used and haven't used. You answer a lot of those surveys, you go through, it really, you can sit and watch TV and do them. You answer the surveys, you kind of leave a couple little reviews, and then what they do is as they get PR packages from brands, they will match them with you. When they have one coming up for you, they'll say, hey, you're on the short list, so check your email for that. And they'll say, fill out the survey and we'll see if you're a perfect fit. And you just fill every single thing out. Just always go for it. I have already received, now I've received one big box from them that I have on my YouTube. I'll include that link in the description box down below. I did that last Christmas time. I also received an entire box of Laura Mercier full-size products that are amazing, and I actually love them and use them. I got a face serum one time that I wasn't crazy about, so I left that review saying, hey, I didn't like this. Super honest about it, and now I got this package. So I am also on a short list for another one. So the more you do it, the more you interact with it, the more chances and options you have of getting free product. And again, it's not just beauty stuff, it could be anything. They ask me about kids in my house and family and toys and pet things and stuff like that. So you never know what you're gonna get. So I hope you guys find that helpful. I don't even know how I found out about the app. I may have heard about it from a friend. So trust me, you should totally try it because I'm nobody and I get all this free stuff, so you can totally do it too. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Would you hit the thumbs up on there? Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. There'll be new content coming out, more on a schedule than we were before. And until next time, okay, come back where you were. You were standing. And look at the camera. You have to look in there, okay? Not all around, okay? Ready? We're gonna do 1, 2, 3. We're gonna say, welcome back to the channel. Okay, ready?